In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Hollister discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Hollister discount promo code. Right here, select this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have listed some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this 20% off discount, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy, and I can use this code on my next purchase in order to get this discount. Also, going back to our main search right here on Google, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, we also have uh, some promo codes that we can use. You can show all codes right here. For example, if I want to get this 10% discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And I can copy this promo code and use it on my next purchase in order to get that 10% discount off store-wide. So this is also today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.